Assalamu alaikum students, today we will discuss about extinction animals. Extinction definition of extinction. Extinction is the termination of a kind of organism or of a group of kinds, usually a species. The moment of extinction is generally considered to be the death of the last individual of the species, although the capacity to breed and recover may have been lost before this point. Types of dinosaur. While scientists have complex ways of classifying dinosaurs, most people separate them into three groups: carnivores, herbivores, and omnivores. Let's learn more about these three types of dinosaurs. First, three dinosaur. Owen based his definition on three of the earliest dinosaur fossil discoveries: Megalosaurus, Iguanodon, and Hylaeosaurus, all discovered in southern England between 1824 and 1832. The original fossils of Iguanodon and Hylaeosaurus, encased in rock, are held at the museum. First dinosaurs arose from small dinosauromorph ancestors in the Triassic period, when the climate was harsh and dry. They faced competition from the croc-line archosaurs for tens of millions of years, but finally prevailed when Pangea began to split. Broussard told Live Science, "Birds are the only dinosaurs to survive the mass extinction event 65 million years ago." Frogs and salamanders, these seemingly delicate amphibians, survived the extinction that wiped out larger animals. Lizards, these reptiles, distant relatives of dinosaurs, survived the extinction. Why did dinosaurs go extinct but not birds? When an asteroid hit Earth 66 million years ago, only those feathered maniraptorans that had downsized to about 1 kilogram or so, the birds, were able to survive, probably because their small size allowed them to adapt more easily to changing conditions. Thanks for watching video. If you like my video, then subscribe my channel.